All right, guys, so this is how you do a quick Father's Day meal. Now, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. But let's take you along and show you how to do a quick Father's Day meal. Okay, so first you pick up his favorite. He loves shrimp tempura rolls, so we're taking that to the cart. You guys noticing? All right, also we're getting a strawberry shortcake because he loves that. All right, so we're doing that. Look how fast this is. All right, I think he's gonna want something else, so I will get another, maybe California roll. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that, okay? So look how quick this is. Yep. Okay, and then you get you some ice cream, y'all, okay? Some homemade ice cream. Oh, the work never gets done around here. Okay, then you go and you get his favorite dish. Okay, you make it to the store real quick and you pick it up. Fried rice. Hi, I ordered shrimp fried rice. Thank you so much. You need to see the receipt?
1405.
I paid for it already.
Oh, okay. You pay credit card, right?
Yeah, credit card. Yeah. Does it sit right here? Oh, here it goes.
Oh, go.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay.
The other guy's not here.
Oh, okay. No. All right, no problem. Thank you. All right, so then you get your shrimp fried rice. You know, sometimes when you're cooking up stuff, might be a little delay in, your ingredients, or you gotta show proof of purchase, but that's okay. Then you go across the street and you get his favorite fish, fried fish. Okay, so that's what we call cooking up some stuff. All right, so I ordered his shrimp fried rice. Hello. Hi. Thank you so much. So yeah, some sauce, whatever sauce you have. What mumbo sauce, and so we're in the DMV, so they love mumbo sauce, and so tartar sauce or whatever. Yep, combination. Yep. Thank you. Can I get one more mumbo sauce? Yep. Thank you. All right. So then, that sounds like I done cooked up a whole feast. Oh, I forgot the drinks when I was in the store. Oh boy. We'll figure it out. Then you go and get a variety of items that he might like. Okay, so then you rush in and you set up the counter with all the cards, the gifts, and the food. Okay? Okay, so then you rush to set up the counter because he's on his way to a stretch appointment. So you move his water. All right. Get his stuff together. Let's move this off. Put this in the office for me. Okay. So get London down here so we can sign the card. So I bought the cards long in advance. But you put in his place and you put them out. Okay. Oh no, that's the sauce. But put that in the freezer outside. The sorbet, then you can freeze outside. Light the candles. All right, go call London real quick down here. Sign this. Where's the Where is the door? Alright, so then we sign our cards. I got these cards a long time ago. So this is the card right here that I got to my husband. Got this. I'm gonna sign this right here to my hubby. Okay. Okay, so we have the cake, we have the sushi, we have the fish. Okay, and we have the fried rice. Well, put that in the deep freezer. Put that in the deep freezer. We don't need that out there. I can have it. So writing their cards. London's writing her card. Right here. We're doing it real quick. Okay, he's coming down now. Put it right here. Yeah, put it right there. Come on, honey. Happy Father's Day.
Oh my gosh, you just make it get so hot.
Okay. For the pens.
Okay, you can go to your appointment now.
Terrence, come.
You can go to your appointment now.
Where is he?
On the stairs. Yeah, you can go. You can walk.
No, my appointment, like you saying leave?
No, like,
Come, honey. Happy Father's Day. Look at my husband. Happy Father's Day. Hey. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, shaggy daggy quack quack. Shaggy daggy quack quack. Why, thank you, ladies.
Happy Father's
To
Day.
the best father.
Yeah.
That's the best father? Who wrote
The
that?
best.
Mommy.
Oh, mommy wrote, yeah. Wow, this is awesome. Thank you,
So
ladies.
we did your favorites
You did my favorites.
for
You did do
Father's
my
Day.
favorite. You got the shrimp tempura roll.
Yep.
Oh, man. Oh, shaggy daggy quack quack.
Fried rice, strawberry shortcake,
I don't know about
and we got you a nice gift.
And you have a gift. Okay,
Right.
can I open the gift?
Yes.
First of all, ladies, thank you.
And we got you some nice cards.
And you got me some cards.
Yes.
A grill basket.
Cause you're getting good on the grill for the summer.
For that summer, 4th of July, we burning the chicken.
You're right, no, because we could put fish in here and put the vegetables over there. Okay, that's good. But yeah, we can use this.
You are going to use that.
I
You got a
know.
removable handle, too.
Yeah, I just saw that. Yeah, I just saw that. Removable handle. Because I was trying to figure out how am I going to put it in there on that fire. Oh, and it has a storage bag.
And it has a storage bag.
Put it in the pantry.
What?
Wait, you can put it in the, what you call it? The storage unit.
Yep, that's the plan. Oh, we got some real white t-shirts. Oh, this is good. No, I needed some real white t-shirts.
Yeah, because I took all yours.
You did take them all. Please don't take this.
Please don't.
Don't take these. The name is
Calvin Klein.
Calvin. Don't take Calvin. Did you call Mr. Bossy and ask him which type?
No.
Alright. Okay. Crew neck t-shirt. Let's look for the size. XL? Okay, we can do XL. I'm losing weight, by the way, so.
Yeah, I didn't think it was an XL. I thought she was extra small.
A straight medium.
But he's buff, so you know he has
I'm
some.
a
Oh
little-
yeah, the
I'm a
muscle.
little
The
bit
muscle.
of buff.
Yeah, the muscle.
Okay. Oh, and it's kind of green.
Yes. A little different, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe it.
Haven't seen you with anything green. Money green.
Smile for the smile.
Money green.
You need to get it too.
So we figured all 3 gifts
Wait.
that you could actually use.
Hold on, I got you. The best Father's Day because you're the best father. I love you. No, take backs.
Oh.
Did you see the infinity sign?
I love you. I did see it. I love you. Infinity. No take backs. Times infinity. Oh, y'all gonna make me cry.
Don't cry.
Thank you. Y'all gonna make me cry. you know I'm a water baby. I cry all the time. All right. Happy Father's Day. With love from your daughter on Father's Day. You might think I never noticed the stuff you do for me. Wow. But today, I want you to know I see and I appreciate it. And I love you for everything.
I said that.
You said that.
Happy Father's Day to my provider. Thank you for everything you've done for me and the family. You make stuff fun and always look for the better things in life.
Be great on purpose.
Be great on purpose. Look at you. What am I gonna do? What am I? Love you.
You are appreciated. You are celebrated. You are my husband. But boy, you have showed me what a father looks like. Even through our 20 years of being together. Yeah, this is what a father looks like. Go ahead now. Strike a pose. Go ahead. Work. Turn to the left. Work. Turn to the right. Sashay. Shantae, you better work. Turn to the left. Work. Turn to the right. Work. Sashay. Shantae.
Get out of here, man. I love y'all.
Love you too.
Ladies.
All right, I'll back up. I'm backing it up.
My baby foot. She put right in the
Yeah, no, when you walked into it. Okay. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Happy Father's Day. Did you like your gifts and your
Love my
food?
gifts.
Now he got a better gift on his leg.
On his leg.
I see he's not going to give us all.
Oh, a stretch. He's going to get a stretch. He's going to go get a stretch.
Stretch
And then
your
he'll
body,
come
stretch
home.
your whole body.
Is it the place in Silver Spring?
No, it's a new place. That place closed down.
Are you serious? Man, I used to love going over there. You went there?
All right, babe.
During homecoming.
Oh, that's right. Long time. And you know what? And you ladies did a great job. Come here. Bring it in. I love y'all. I love you.
We didn't make it to church with him, but we did try to. Well,
We made
I
it to the
tried
kitchen.
I tried to make it to church with him, but but we did make it to the feast and the presentation of the gifts. So you like?
I like it. Thank you.
Now he's going to what he also likes is his stretch appointment.
I need a good stretch.
Yeah.
I need a good stretch.
A great stretch.
Yes.